How to do voiceover using CapCut. Now, what is voiceover? Voiceover simply means using your voice at the background to narrate what is happening in the video without showing your face. Now, voiceover can be used to create your documentary videos, advert videos, reaction videos, tutorial videos, and lifestyle contents. So for those of you who are camera shy, voiceover will help you to be creating your contents without showing your face. Let me walk you through the process of voicing over your pictures and your videos using CapCut. No long talks, straight to work. Let's dive in. Alright, so we are currently in our CapCut, alright? Now to voice over your pictures and your videos, go ahead and click on new project to import your files, alright? So click on new project. Now go ahead and bring in the video or the pictures you want to voice over. For me, for this particular video, I want to use video. All right, so let me go ahead and choose this particular video here. All right, so let me go ahead and select it, then add. Then when you import your video into your CapCut, go ahead and silence that video clip so that it's your voice that will be heard in the video. All right, so that the video sound itself will not be clashing with your own voice that you have added so far as voiceover. So go ahead and click on this mute clip here. So click on mute clip. The sound of this video has been silenced, so we can now go ahead and add our own voice to this video. Now to add your voiceover to this video, this is what you do. Go ahead and click on this audio here. Click on audio. Then after clicking on audio, go ahead and swipe to the left and locate this record here. All right, so click on record. Then it will bring you to the recording panel. Right here on this recording panel, this is where you tap on this blue button to start recording your voice into the video. All right, now there are actually two methods you can use to record voice here. Step one is the automatic recording and step two is the manual recording. Now step one, which is the automatic recording, is just by a single tap on this blue recording button. Then it will count down from 3 to 1 and starts recording. So whatever you will be saying then will be recorded into the video. Then after recording, then you can go ahead and tap on the button again. It will stop recording. All right, now step two is by pressing and holding this particular record button. So whatever you'll be saying then will be recorded into the video. Now I actually recommend step two, which is the manual recording. Now the reason I recommend step two is because it will give you time to rest and breathe in before you continue recording again. Automatic recording doesn't give you that time, and it will make you to make series of mistakes in your voice recording. All right, because it will make you to be rushing words or statements or talks. So I actually recommend step two, which will give you time to rest. So now let's move forward, but we are going to exercise the two methods for you to learn. All right, so let's go ahead and use step one first. So let me tap on this recording button and allow it to count down while I start saying. All right, so whatever I'm saying now is being recorded into this particular video. So this is step one. Then let's go ahead and use step two again. Then after recording, you go ahead and tap on this button again to stop recording. All right, if you don't like what you've recorded so far, you go ahead and tap on this delete here. All right, so it will delete whatever you have recorded so far into the video. All right, so now let's move over to step two, which is the manual recording. I will use step two to add my voice to this video, explain what happened in the video, then we now stop it. All right, so let me go ahead and use step two. Press and hold on the button. Now let me explain what is happening in this video. This video you are seeing here is actually an old man at his age still running for office of the president in Uganda. What did Africans do to deserve this type of leaders? May God help us in this continent. Then you release your finger. All right, so after that, if you are okay with the recording, go ahead and tap on this good here. All right, so have you seen it? So this is the voice I've added to the video so far. Let me go ahead and play it. Let me explain what is happening in this video. This video you are seeing here is actually an old man. So that's how to voice over your video or your pictures. Then again, after voicing over, ensure you position your voiceover or your audio wave to the place where the action in the video is taking place. Don't voice over in such a way that your voice will be saying another thing while the video will be showing another thing. All right, so always position your voice over or your audio wave to the place where they should be before you export your video. Then after that, if there are any parts of the audio wave you do not want to use, then you can always tap and split and delete the excess part. I've already taught you people how to split and delete and how to add sound effects to your videos. All right, so after that, then always remember to remove this CapCut logo at the end of your video. So after that, you can go ahead and export your video here. All right, so that's how to voice over your video. So in our next video, we are going to be voicing over our video using VN editor. All right, if I'm giving you value, please like, comment, share and follow me for more. All right, still me UC visuals till I come your way again next time. Bye for now.